Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to easily find your USDT wallet address on the TRC network using Bybit. Start by opening the Bybit website. In the top left menu, hover your mouse over Buy Crypto. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on the Crypto Deposit button, which will take you to the section where you can manage your deposits. Next, you'll need to choose the coin you want to deposit. This is where you'll find your wallet address for various cryptocurrencies. And to quickly locate your USDT wallet, use the search bar by clicking the search icon and type in USDT. Make sure to select Tether USDT and then choose the correct chain. In our case, we want the TRC20 network, which offers advantages like zero fees and fast transaction speeds. It's crucial to select the correct network because sending funds to the wrong network could result in the permanent loss of your assets. So once you've confirmed TRC20, tap OK and you should now see your USDT TRC20 wallet address displayed on the screen. To copy it, simply click the copy address button below or tap the small copy icon next to the wallet address. You'll see a message confirming that the address was copied successfully. In the description, you will find a referral link with a bonus. If you register through it, you will be supporting us and helping us continue this channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful content.